Welcome to MaxTrading. In this video, I'll show you how I analyze the market using a powerful price channel indicator, a simple yet effective tool that helps identify buy and sell zones. Before we begin, let me make something clear. This content is for educational purposes only. I'm not providing financial advice, and I'm not telling you what to trade. I'm sharing how I personally analyze and manage trades, so you can learn and apply the knowledge safely. Section 1. Understanding the indicator. Now let's look at the chart on the screen. This indicator creates a price channel. You can see two colored zones. The blue zone on top represents the upper resistance area. The red zone below represents the lower support area. The market usually moves inside this channel, bouncing between the top and the bottom. When the price reaches the bottom red area, it often signals a potential buy zone. When it touches the upper blue area, it may signal a sell zone. So the first step in this strategy is always to identify where the price is inside that channel. Section 2. The confirmations. I use three main confirmations before taking any trade. 1. The first is the channel direction. I follow the direction of the trend shown by the channel. If it's pointing upward, I only look for buy setups. If it's pointing downward, I focus on sells. 2. The second confirmation comes from the yellow swing high and swing low markers. A swing low shows a small reversal upward. It means buyers are stepping in. A swing high shows resistance. Sellers are pushing the price down. 3. The third and final confirmation is the green or red label. When I see a green buy label appear near the lower red zone, that's when all confirmations line up for a long trade. Section 3, example, XAUUSD trade. Let's take an example from a live chart. This is XAUUSD gold. Recently, the price touched the lower red area, created a yellow swing low, and then a green buy label appeared. That was my signal. I entered a trade using MetaTrader 5, opening 3 lots. And yes, these are real positions from my live account. You can see them on the screen. Within 2 days, this setup generated over $2,000 in profit. But again, this is not a guarantee. It's just how I trade based on this system. Section 4. Why it works. This approach works because it follows market structure and price behavior, not emotions. The channel shows balance, the swings show reaction, and the labels give the final confirmation. When all three align, I enter. If not, I wait. That's the discipline you need as a trader. Section 5. Educational message and risk warning. Let me repeat, this is not financial advice. Trading involves risk, and you should never trade money you can't afford to lose. The purpose of this video is to help you understand how to analyze markets logically, not emotionally. Always use proper risk management. Set stop loss, take profit, and trade responsibly. Section 6. Connection to live sessions. If you're watching my live session right now, you'll notice I use the same logic on BTC/USD and other pairs. The system is the same. Read the channel, confirm with swings, wait for the label. Simple, clean, and repeatable. Section 7. Motivation and outro. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and join our live community. We're here to learn, share, and grow together. Trading isn't about guessing. It's about reading the market and reacting with clarity. So stay patient, stay focused, and remember, your best trade is the one that follows your plan. This is MaxTrading, helping you trade smarter, not harder. See you in the next session. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. All examples shown are personal opinions and should not be considered investment advice. Always do your own research and trade responsibly. Welcome to MaxTrading. In this video, I'll show you how I analyze the market using a powerful price channel indicator, a simple yet effective tool that helps identify buy and sell zones. Before we begin, let me make something clear. This content is for educational purposes only. I'm not providing financial advice, and I'm not telling you what to trade. I'm sharing how I personally analyze and manage trades so you can learn and apply the knowledge safely. Section 1. Understanding the indicator. Now let's look at the chart on the screen. This indicator creates a price channel. You can see two colored zones. The blue zone on top represents the upper resistance area. The red zone below represents the lower support area. The market usually moves inside this channel, bouncing between the top and the bottom. When the price reaches...
Welcome to MaxTrading YouTube channel. This is not financial advice. Trade responsibly. All right, traders, let's jump straight into today's setup. No delays, no distractions. Here is where we entered our position, and this is where the story begins. We spotted strong momentum building up, and once the price broke above the key level, we executed our entry. The market showed clear bullish pressure, and buyers were in full control. That breakout gave us the confirmation we needed, so we entered with confidence, riding the wave of momentum. Our goal here was simple. Follow the trend, don't fight it. As long as the structure remained intact and support levels continued to hold, we stayed in the trade. Volume was increasing, sentiment was positive, and the market was pushing in our direction. Everything lined up: price action, momentum, and trend confirmation. We set our target ahead of the next resistance area, aiming for a clean and realistic take-profit level. No greed, just precision. The movement continued exactly as planned, and the momentum carried the trade toward our target beautifully. Once price reached our zone, we secured profits and closed the position. A disciplined exit is just as important as a smart entry, and this trade delivered exactly what we were looking for. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more real trading insights, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for our next setups. Trade smart, stay focused, and I'll see you in the next video.